Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another tarot reading. So the today's topic is on the particular sign. The sign is Capricorn and the topic is what's coming up next in your love life situation. And if you are in a love life or relationship or married, unmarried, it doesn't matter at all, because it's just a reading for everyone out there who are Capricorns and they want to know what's coming up in your love life. If you are single and you want to know is there a new love or not, then you have to see this video. So stay tuned and I'll just start the reading. Before, let me remind you once again, this is just in general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone out there, so you have to be open mind and you have to take what resonates with you only, or leave the rest messages for others. And if you need to ask any question regarding your health, marriage, your career, your finances, or anything it can be, so you can ask for the personal readings as well. The contact information is in the description box. Go and check out there, you will get the all details there. So now let's start with the reading. And while I'm shuffling the cards, try to think about your partner so that I can tap into his energy. Try to think about him. Now let's start with the tarot. What's coming up next for the sign of Capricorn? Wow, you are hitting the bonus. The Magician card is here. Now what less and what's more? Because everything, you will have the everything. You will have the stability, you will have the love, you will have the opportunity, you will have everything. You are full of a plate. You are having the full plate and you are very much energetic. You are blessed, protected, and you are of course guided the people around you. Somewhere you are a healer kind of, or you are doing the healings as well, and you are attracting the prosperity in your love life or your work life or home life situation, because you are in the magician mode right now. See, you are a self-made person. You are doing the very well on your earnings and you are doing the hard work on yourself as well. Let's see, Four of Pentacles, the Sun. So I do just pick up some message here, that is your person is working on your finances, on his finances, and he is trying to earn his name, fame, and his name on his career, and he wants to build more and more, and he is very energetic. He is a very strong personality. He is having more money and he is very rich. That is very good. He is rich and he do work on his own terms. He is not listen to others, because he is having a ego issues also. He don't listen to others, the Capricorns. But because of the relationship, because of the love and the things, I do see that his thoughts are very cloudy. He is not able to see the things. He is not able to see the clarity, and in fact he is not able to see the love that is coming from you. And now he's become himself very negative due to this situation, and now he is completely shut out of himself from this negativity and from this relationship matters. Now he is totally worked up on himself and his work and his finances only to do that. But still the thinking is like that, everything is worthless. He is thinking like that because see this black energy, the black energy is on his complete on his thoughts. The cloudy things are his thoughts. Everything is negative here. He's not happy, and you people are in a no contact situation. You are watching this video, I'm just picking up energies here. The Capricorns, you are not in a no contact situation, and whatever the thing is, but the thing what's coming up next, Page of Wands, communication is coming. You people are going to be communicate clearly. he will be get stable, he will be get spiritual, he will be get in his aura back, and he will be with you for sure, and he will be getting what he want, and he will be for sure in a good vibe. So he wants to communicate with you, he is looking forward to you, and he is looking for his stability also. Now let's see, Knight of Wands, he is in rush towards you completely. If you people are in a no contact situation, then it means there is a chances of reconcile is very very good. He is coming back to you, he is coming in a rush, he wants to be with you. He is just only taking the unnecessary things in his hand and looking back to his past, but now he is just wants to be reconcile with you, wants to be come back to you, and the thing is going to be very normal soon. So you are not to worry at all. The cards are already jumping, but I can't take this, there are two cards here, so I'll just see the things here. Now you know what, I do see the one more thing, I just need the one more card from the bottom. Six of Cups here, he will come towards you with a solid offer. There is a Six of Cups card pair up with a Seven of Swords. He is now thinking too much negative, but in the coming back days he will be okay soon, he will be getting whatever he wants, then he will be okay soon, and he will be come towards you with the offer. There is a mutual love understanding between you two. And do you see that the love and the beautifulness of this card? See, there is a house behind his back, the stability, the house shows the stability, the passion, the energy, the red color, and the flowers always show the auspiciousness and the prosperity. So this is all is already in your relationship, so you will be getting it again, you will be in a healthy relationship, you will be with him again. So he will be come towards you, he will provide you the support you are need for and you are seeking for. But now he is only taking the things in his hand, he is only taking back of his shoulder, because he is still thinking about the past issues, he is still thinking, but only just it's just a thinking. He will be okay soon, because he is in a hurry, he wants to communicate with you, he wants to rush towards you, and he's coming dear. Now let me take out the oracle messages for you, that then only you can get clearance. Knight of Wands card shows the rushness, and he wants to communicate you, he wants to come towards you, he wants to take the things ahead, but it will take time, because now he is completely focused on his work, and he is making the more and the more money, and he wants to make and earn money. Now let's take what oracles say. Remain positive. You need to be remain positive. If you lose hope in this connection and you think that it's not worth for, and I should move, or just I should let this go out, then I'll really tell you, please do wait for him, because he's coming back. See, the forgiveness card is here. I think you should wait for him, because the forgiveness card is here. You have to remain positive for the things, and you have to forgive him. Whatever he did in the past, whatever he did with you, whatever the reason is, no matter, but the love is here, the love is here, he wants to be with you, and now he is well balanced, now he is sorted out everything, and now he wants to be with you. The forgiveness card is here. So you have to, what you should do is, you have to remain positive, so that you can attract the magnetism back in your aura, so that you can attract the love of your life, or you are attracting him back again. So do that and remain positive, forgive him, try to understand the situation and try to forgive him. so he will come back to you again. This is what I'm picking up here, and you will be in a healthy relationship soon. This is what coming up next for your sign, the Capricorn. So I just to pick up these signs here. This is it for today. So I hope you like my channel, you like my reading. So I'll just okay then, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.